Pakistan's economic and human development crucially depends on efficient and productive use of water. However, unsustainable water consumption and mismanagement of water resources have pushed Pakistan from a water abundant to a water scarce country.
Situation related to water resources has become very challenging. One reason is that like 50 years ago, we used to have 5,000 cubic meters per person per year of water availability, but now this has dropped to around 1,000 cubic meter per person per year. Now, this has put us in a group of countries who face physical water scarcity.
In the absence of proper management, this situation will only get worse as Pakistan's population doubles to approximately 350 million by 2025.
And the population is also increasing, which is resulting in the higher demand of water. 2 to 3 feet of water table is going down.
It has been estimated that by 2025, the water table will further decline below 70 meters. In view of these challenges, WWF Pakistan launched a project entitled Citywide Partnership for Sustainable Water Use and Water Stewardship in SMEs in Lahore, Punjab, funded by European Union.
The EU interest is to try to support Pakistan in making use of water sustainable in the sake of future generation.
I hope that this pilot test project will go long into its sustainability phase. So I think that will help a lot to bring the city stakeholder as responsible people of using water.
The aim of the project is to make a business case for water conservation in the target industrial sectors.
The industries have to see that they don't have to conserve water only for water conservation or for domestic users per se. They have to save water to have a continuity of their business in the Indus Basin, which is a lifeline for Pakistan.
If you want to run industry in a legitimate framework, then you should have wastewater treatment plants. And such investments pays back business over a period of 5 to 6 years. We are very happy to tell you that the total package, if any industry implement the total package which we have proposed, pays back within 2 years.
The project was launched in 2013 and targets 4 major industrial sectors: textile, sugar, paper and pulp, and tanneries. The implementation partners include WWF UK and Cleaner Production Institute.
This project, I think, is a very important project. I think not just for Pakistan, but for WWF internationally. It's been a really good example of how we can get lots of stakeholders involved at a city level to address water problems and to understand that different sectors face different types of water risk, and that only by collaborating together can we really address those risks in a sustainable way.
Collectively, the target industrial sectors are the largest industrial water users in Punjab. SMEs selected in the first phase of the project were trained on best water management practices, also known as BWMPs.
We have given them recommendations on improving their water use, on lessening their chemical use, so that ultimately the pollution load is less and water consumption is less. It both goes in favor of industry and as well as for the betterment of the city as well.
It's time for all of us to get together and work for the conservation of water, because water is everybody's business.